Hi guys, welcome to another video tutorial. This is video tutorial number 21, and this video I'm going to show you how to work with audio in HTML5 or in your web page. So this is my test.html that I'm going to use to start putting an audio file in a web page. Make sure you have this code as I have in here. Clean it all if you have the code from the last video. And in the body section, I'm gonna create audio works a lot of pretty much as the video. So let's type audio, and then what we type is controls equals, and here you type controls, and here we close audio. Now, when I said it worked pretty similar to the video element or the video tag, it's because you can still type a message for the unsupported browsers or the browsers that don't support HTML5. So this will not work, and this message will appear, which is basically the message I'm going to put is this browser does not support HTML audio HTML5 audio. Okay, and before this you can type now the line of code to load the audio file that we want. So I have a little audio file, MP3 audio file, and I'm gonna call it sample.mp3, and I have it here. You can see. Oops, sorry. So that's the audio file that I'm gonna load. And in audio for HTML5, some browsers support different kind of type of files. So I know that MP3 is supported, but for example in Firefox I think MP3 is not supported. So a bunch of different type of audio files are supported by one browser, and some other type of audio files are not supported by other browsers. So to make sure that you have the correct browser and the correct audio type of file, you can go to here. Okay, W3 Schools, as always, one of the best resources for you to learn. HTML5 slash HTML5 dot underscore audio dot ASP. Okay, and there you will have here the audio formats and browser support and all the support that you can give or you can have in your different types of files in different browsers. Okay, check that out. Make sure you have the correct browser. Obviously, I recommend you always to use Chrome for HTML5. It's the most advanced browser and the browser that supports full HTML5 features. Now, here we're going to type source src equals and the name of your file that you want to play. And the name of the file is sample mp3, and here we're going to type the type of file, which is audio, and in this case with mp3 you have to type mpeg, audio mpeg, and that's it. Okay, now let's save this, and down here, well, I'm gonna leave it this way. So basically this is it, and let's see if it's working. So let me launch this in Chrome, and here it is. Awesome. So let me play. Okay, works perfectly. And this basically this is it. Pretty simple. And if you have any questions, send me a message or post your questions in the section below. See you guys in the next video. Bye.